Thyme is considered a stimulating, uplifting, and reviving oil with antiseptic qualities. The therapeutic properties of thyme oil are antirheumatic, antiseptic, antispasmodic, bactericidal, Beckett, cardiac, carminative, cicatrizant, diuretic, emmenagogue, expectorant, hypertensive, insecticide, stimulant, tonic, and vermifuge. It helps with mental concentration and works well as a bronchial and lung tonic, making it very valuable for bronchitis, coughs, colds, and asthma. Thyme's warming qualities make it a great oil for rheumatism, sciatica, arthritis, and gout. Red thyme and white thyme are both used in aromatherapy. It can be toxic if not properly diluted. Thyme is a very powerful oil and it could be a skin irritant. Avoid use during pregnancy. Thyme is a middle to top note.